So I'm going to show you a nice and easy way to bring in captions or subtitles into your Create productions using webcaptioner.com. Now these can be applied to an individual scene or it can be applied to your whole program output, depending on how many people you need the captions or subtitles for, or I guess how many languages you might have going on in your production. So first of all, we need to create a virtual output in order to send back to webcaptioner.com. In order to do so, you need to open up the settings by clicking the cog icon. Navigate to the Advanced tab and then scroll down to Return Output Configuration. You just need to set any one of these outputs to Virtual Camera. I'm just going to select Virtual Camera 4. The video can stay as none because we don't need to send any video. We just need to set the audio. It can be program or can be any of your AUXs depending on what you've got set up. I'm going to use program for this example. We also need to make a note of the audio input device. So this one is cable D. So that's the virtual cable that is in use, and we'll need to send that to webcaptioner.com. And to send it, we just need to start this output off. So I'm just going to start it there and close this down. I'm now going to pop my caller, who I need captions for, into the program because I'm sending back the program audio. And as you can see, that is me as a studio caller. So I'm just going to cut that into the program. You can see that I've got some audio down here, and that's what webcaptioner.com is going to be picking up. So without further ado, I'm just going to pop over to webcaptioner.com. This is what it looks like when you haven't started capturing any captions yet. So what I need to do is start captioning in the bottom right-hand corner. You'll then be prompted to allow access to your microphone. So I'm just going to allow that. Now you can see that it's already started capturing the captions here. If it doesn't, you may need to just double check up in the top right here on this little camera icon that it has the right microphone selected. So in this case, it's cable D, as I mentioned previously, and that's what I'm using to send the audio to this website. So that's all okay. Web Captioner has a load of settings that you can change as well. So if you click in the bottom right-hand corner here and open up the settings, you've got a load of general settings here and some shortcuts. You can change the appearance. There's lots of things that you can change here, like the font, the color of the font, the size, the alignment, and so on, backgrounds and things like that. You also have some language options here as well. So I'm going to leave this set to English, United Kingdom, because that's where I am and what I'm speaking. I can come out of this one now. So that, as you can see, is capturing everything that I'm saying. So I just need to turn back to the Create software. So here we go. Now this is the scene that I need to add the captions into. So I'm just going to right click here to quick add a source. And then I'm going to come down to window capture. I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to call this captions. Click OK. And you can see that it's brought in the whole window there. So we don't want the whole window. I don't need the cursor either, so I can untick that, but I'm going to OK that. What I need to do to make this fit for purpose is to transform it a bit. So I'm going to open up the transform settings here, go to edit transform, and I just need to crop a fair amount off the top. So I'm going to do an 850 crop off the top and then a 75 off the bottom, and that's pretty much got what I'm after. So that's just the current sentence or two that your caller is saying. Now to get that into the program, we'll just cut that, and now that is a live caption on your live remote contributor in your Create production. Thank you for watching. You can access other instruction videos on our YouTube channel or by navigating to support.quicklink.tv.